How to copy formula to down column in Excel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you perfect process. There is a 2-3 method that you can use, and you can copy the formula in Excel to the down column. Okay, so let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so there here in my Excel I have some data, so let me apply one formula here. So I just apply some formula, so I need to select that range. Okay, so this is my total columns and this is my all value. Okay, so this is my totals. Okay, and you can see here we have the formula. So the first method, you select that first formula and drag it like this. Okay, then it will be apply the formula to all down column like this. Okay, the next method, just select that all cell or column and hit the control D. You need to hit the control plus D. Okay, then your formula will be applied to the all columns. Okay, or you can simply copy the cell or select the all column cell and just paste by control V, and this formula will be applied. Or another method is, you need to type simply one by one formula to every cell. Okay, if you want, so it is for only knowledge. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.